Hi, welcome back to our channel HardReset.Info. In this video, let me tell you how to fix Apple Pay disabled on this device. So if you see this message on your screen, it usually points to a restriction that is placed on your iPhone. So let's change that. You want to open settings, and now let's go to section with your screen time. Now go to Content and Privacy Restrictions, and from here select Allowed Applications and Features. And now from the list of applications you want to find Wallet, and please make sure that the toggle next to it is always on. If the toggle was off, turning this on should immediately enable Apple Pay on your device. But if the screen time setting was already on, the issue is caused by something else, and you should make sure that your Face ID or your Touch ID are working and that they are enabled, because basically Apple Pay requires your biometrics to pay. Additionally, if the region does not match your country, it can disable Apple Pay access. So check your region setting. In order to do that, you want to go to General in your settings. Let's scroll down to Language and Region, proceed to Region, and here please select your country. Additionally, you can try restarting your iPhone, because simple reboot can sometimes help you fix some Apple Pay problems. So that were the main fixes, how to resolve the issue if your Apple Pay is disabled on your device. And I really hope that you find this video helpful. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.